Hey everybody, it's Nexprix here, and today I have a very cool video for you guys. So, as you guys know, I did my amazing Omaha beach mock. That was the biggest mock I've ever done. But now, it has come time to disassemble it. And I think I want to give you guys a time-lapse of that. Because I really like how the time-lapses turn out on my channel. And I think you guys enjoy them. So I decided to do a time lapse of me dismantling this and sorting all the pieces. So up here I got some bins for light gray, dark gray, and black, and then slopes and special parts. And then on the ground I have bins for green, tan, dark tan, and brown. And then I got some other bins over on the ground more for the filler brick. So guys, we're going to start the time lapse right now. so now we have completely finished dismantling the Omaha Beach MOC. As you guys can see, both base plates are completely gray again. But before I finish the video, there is another second part of the time lapse I would like to include, where I dismantle. It's still part of the MOC, but sorting out these extra pieces that I ended up not using. So here's the start of the second time lapse. Alright guys, so now we are 100% done with taking apart the Omaha Beach MOC. Wow, this was a massive job to do. Let's see how long it actually took me. Well, this part right here was 12 minutes. I don't know how long the other part was, but I think it was like an hour or so. But guys, this was an awesome project. Thank you for bringing me through till the end on this project. And I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video, being the video that you guys get to choose what my next MOC is. So thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And happy building, everyone.